Episode 61, Drug Approval Process. In Episode 61 of NexGen Pharma, titled Drug Approval Process, we delve into the intricate journey of obtaining regulatory approval for a new medication. Join us as we explore the rigorous steps involved in the approval process and the pivotal role it plays in bringing innovative treatments to patients worldwide. Dialogue: Dr. Evan, Research Scientist. Good morning, team. Today, we'll focus on the drug approval process for NexMed. Let's ensure that we're well prepared to navigate through the regulatory requirements. Dr. Emily, Clinical Research Coordinator. Agreed, Evan. The regulatory landscape can be complex, but with proper planning and documentation, we can streamline the process. Dr. Mark, Regulatory Affairs Manager. Absolutely, Emily. We need to meticulously compile all the data from our clinical trials and ensure compliance with regulatory standards. Dr. Sarah, Marketing Manager. And let's not forget about the importance of transparency and communication throughout the process. We need to keep stakeholders informed every step of the way. During the regulatory submission meeting, Dr. Evan, Mark, do we have all the necessary documents prepared for the regulatory submission? Dr. Mark, yes, Evan. We've compiled the clinical trial data, safety reports, and manufacturing information. Everything is in order for submission. Dr. Emily, I'll review the submission package to ensure it meets the regulatory requirements and address any potential gaps or discrepancies. Dr. Sarah, in the meantime, our marketing team will begin preparing educational materials to inform healthcare professionals and patients about NexMed. Breaking down the expressions, drug approval process. The series of steps required to obtain regulatory approval for a new medication before it can be marketed and distributed. Regulatory landscape. The regulatory environment and requirements governing the approval and marketing of pharmaceutical products. Compliance with regulatory standards. Ensuring adherence to the rules, regulations, and guidelines set forth by regulatory authorities. Transparency and communication. Openness and clear communication with stakeholders, including regulatory agencies, healthcare professionals, and patients.